In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a DocuSign PDF after it has been signed. This might seem like a challenging task at first, but with the right steps, you'll see that it's straightforward and manageable. Imagine you've just received a signed document through DocuSign, but there's a small detail you need to correct or update. Well, let me guide you through the process. First, head over to your DocuSign homepage. Here, you'll see a list of all your agreements. What you need to do is find the specific agreement that you wish to edit. Once you've spotted it, click on it to open up more options and proceed to the draft section. This is where all the magic happens, and don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Now that you're in the draft section, the next thing is to select the file you wish to edit. Look for it among your list of documents, ensuring you choose the correct file. Select it, and then click on the Continue button. This simple click will take you one step closer to editing your document. Assuming this file was already signed, you'll need to fill in some crucial details again. This is where you prepare the document for resending once your edits are complete. Start by filling out details like the recipient's name and email. These must be accurate to ensure there are no issues once the document is sent again. Next, draft a succinct yet descriptive email subject. This helps the recipient identify and prioritize your email easily. After that, move on to composing the email message. This should clearly state any new instructions or emphasize the reasons for this updated document. Once you've entered all these details, go ahead and click Next. At this point, you've set up your document for editing and resending, so pat yourself on the back for completing the trickiest part. From here, you can proceed to implement the necessary changes in the document. Throughout this process, ensure you double-check all the information you enter to avoid any errors. Also, keep in mind that some restrictions might apply to specific documents due to the terms of use or other compliance standards, so it's always a good move to verify what's possible with your specific document type. Finally, after making the necessary changes, remember to save and send the document once again for signing. There you have it. You've now mastered editing a DocuSign PDF after it's been signed. Rest easy knowing that managing your signed documents is entirely within your capability. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy editing!